In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google form to collect data. By the end, you'll have a shareable form and know exactly where to see the responses that come in. First, open Google Forms. It's a free browser-based tool from Google that's perfect for gathering information fast, whether you're collecting signups, feedback, or simple contact details. At the top of the page, open the template gallery. Templates save time by giving you a solid starting point with common questions already built in. Choose the contact information template. This option comes preloaded with fields like name, email, and phone number, which are ideal when you just need the basics to start building your contact list. Now customize it to fit your needs. Give your form a clear title and a short description so people know why you're collecting data and how it will be used. Edit any question by clicking into it, adjust the wording, change the response type if needed, and mark important questions as required. If you need more fields, add them and remove anything you don't need. You can also reorder questions to create a logical flow. For a polished look, choose a theme color and header style so the form matches your brand or event. When you're happy with your setup, click Submit to run a quick test. Enter sample answers and submit once to make sure everything looks right and the required questions behave as expected. This quick check helps you catch typos or missing fields before you share widely. Next, click Share at the top right. This opens the options you'll use to control who can access your form. Set general access to anyone with the link. This ensures that people outside your organization can open the form without signing in, which is ideal for public surveys or wide distribution. Click Copy Responder Link. This gives you the exact URL your audience will use to open and complete the form. Click Done to close the sharing window. Now, share the link with your friends or audience. You can paste it into an email, a group chat, or a social post, anywhere your respondents are most likely to see it. To monitor incoming entries, click the Responses tab at the top of your form. As people fill out the form and submit, you'll see their responses appear here in real time. Use the summary view for quick charts and counts, or switch to individual responses to review each submission carefully. That's it. Your form is live, shareable, and ready to collect data.